Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful multi-step form on your WordPress website using the free and powerful Easy Form Builder plugin. No coding, no hassle. Just drag, drop, and go. First, let's install Easy Form Builder. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for Easy Form Builder, install it, and activate it. Now let's create a new form. Click on Create and select a template. For this example, we'll use the Contact Us template, but feel free to start from scratch. Drag and drop the fields you need, like name, email, phone number, and message. You can easily customize labels, placeholders, and field types. No coding required. To break your form into steps, just drag the step field from the right panel and drop it into the form. Every time you add a step field, a new page is created within your form. Want more steps? Just drag another step field wherever you want to divide the form. You can build two-step forms completely free and add as many steps as you need. Make it easier for users to know where they are. Go to Form Settings and enable the progress bar. You can also customize its color to match your website style. Click on the step field and open the settings. Here, you can change the labels, icons, button size, and even colors for the next and previous buttons. After form submission, it's important to show a confirmation message. Easy Form Builder lets you add a custom thank you message, so your users know their form was submitted successfully. Want to notify users or yourself after form submission? In Form Settings, enable email or SMS notifications. It's fast and easy. And yes, you can do it for free. Once your form is ready, click Save. Copy the shortcode, paste it into any page or post, and click Publish. That's it! Your multi-step form is now live on your WordPress website. Congratulations! You've just built a fully functional multi-step form using Easy Form Builder. No premium version required. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.